welcome to the Clear Cut Classroom, where we take deep dives into all things diamonds and jewelry. Today we're discussing my tips and tricks for purchasing fine jewelry. If you're looking to build your jewelry collection but don't really know where to start, if you're going to find a good value, or just not knowing whether or not to buy a piece or not, then these are things that I suggest you look out for. When starting your fine jewelry collection, you want to focus on quality over quantity. You want to invest in pieces that are going to be in your collection forever, that you can just continually add to. I would invest in pieces that, are maybe not too trendy, but can be around for the next couple years or are just on the more timeless side. You want to also make sure that when you're looking at fine jewelry pieces, what they're made out of and what the quality of the stones are. So the first thing to look for is the metal type. You want to make sure that you're either purchasing solid 14K or 18K gold or platinum. If you see the word vermeil or plated, know that that isn't true fine jewelry. It's just a plating of gold over a base metal, and that's not going to last over time and it's going to wear off. So you definitely want to invest in a solid fine metal. So that's the first thing. The second thing is, if there are diamonds in your piece, looking for not only the total carat weight of the diamonds, but also the individual carat weights of the stone. So analyzing the carat weights of the diamonds and also the quality. What are the colors and clarities of the diamonds and the carat weights? From there, you also want to see, okay, now that I know the metal, the quality of the stones and the carat weights, what is the price point and how does that compare in terms of value? Once you have that information, another component is, where is the piece made? Is it made and handcrafted in the United States, in New York City, or is this something that's mass manufactured overseas? Because that's going to really impact the quality of your piece over time. You also want to make sure that before you are purchasing a piece like a ring or a bracelet, that you know the proper size. We have a bunch of videos on how to size your finger and your wrist, so check them out. Lastly, of course, you want to buy from a brand that you trust, so you know that your piece is coming from a reputable source. Thanks for tuning in. Let me know, comment below if you have any more questions on tips and tricks for buying fine jewelry, and class is dismissed.